In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post on CapCut step by step so you can export your video and share it to TikTok or YouTube in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you've finished editing your project and you want to get it published quickly without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to post. Make sure your edit is complete, your clips are in the right order, and your captions, effects, and music are all exactly how you want them. Before exporting, it's always a good idea to do one last check so you don't have to come back and re-render later. Once your project is ready, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Export. This is where CapCut prepares your final video file. After you click Export, you'll see a few settings you can adjust before the video is rendered. These usually include resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Choose the settings that match the quality you want for your upload. If you want a sharper video, use a higher resolution. If you want smooth motion, keep your frame rate consistent with your footage. And if you want better quality overall, choose a stronger bitrate if available. After selecting your export settings, click Export again to begin rendering. CapCut will now process your video, and this may take a little while depending on the length of the project and the power of your computer. While it's exporting, just wait for it to finish completely. Don't close the program or interrupt the process because that could stop the export or cause your file to save incorrectly. When the export is done, CapCut will show you your finished video and give you sharing options. This is where things get really convenient because you may see buttons to share directly to TikTok and YouTube. If you want to post straight away, choose the platform you want to use. CapCut may ask you to sign into your account first, so if that happens, just log in to continue. After signing in, you'll usually be taken to a posting screen where you can enter your video title, caption, and any other details the platform requires. Take a moment here to make your post look polished. Add a clear title, write a caption that fits your audience, and double-check everything before publishing. If there are hashtags, privacy settings, or other upload options, review those as well so your post goes out exactly the way you want. Once everything looks good, click Post or Publish. That final click sends your video live to your chosen platform, and that's it. You've successfully exported your project from CapCut and posted it online. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.